Welcome to English Speaking with Lita channel. Excuse me, is this shop open? Yes, it is open. What do you sell here? We sell clothes and shoes. How much is this shirt? It is 800 taka. Do you have it in blues? Yes, we do. Can I see that one? Sure, please check it. Is this good quality? Yes, it is very good. Do you have a smaller size? Yes, size M is available. Is there any discount? Yes, you will get 10% off. Can I try it on? Yes, the fitting room is there. How much after discount? It will be 720 taka. Is it washable? Yes, you can wash it easily. Is this made in Bangladesh? Yes, it is locally made. Do you accept mobile payment? Yes, we accept Bikash and Nagad. Can I return it if there is a problem? Yes, within 3 days. Is this new arrival? Yes, it came yesterday. Is the price fixed? No, you can bargaining. Please reduce the price. Okay, I can reduce 50 taka. Do you have any offers today? Yes, buy one, get one free. Can you show me something cheaper? Yes, please look here. Is this available in black? Yes, it is. What size do you recommend? Medium will be perfect for me. Is this comfortable? Yes, very comfortable. How long will it last? It will last for years. Can I get a receipt? Yes, here you are. Is this original? Yes, it is 100% original. Do you sell school bags? Yes, we do. How much is this bag? It is 1200 taka. Is it waterproof? Yes, it is waterproof. Do you have any sale items? Yes, those items are on sale. Can I exchange this later? Yes, within 7 days. Is this suitable for students? Yes, very suitable. Do you have children's clothes? Yes, upstairs. Is there a warranty? Yes, 1 year warranty. Can I pay by card? Yes, card payment is accepted. Is it heavy? No, it's light. Is this popular? Yes, many customers like it. Do you have more colors? Yes, red, blue, and green. Is this price reasonable? Yes, it is reasonable. Can you pack it for me? Of course. Are there any new offers coming? Yes, next week. Can I get two? Yeah, sure. Will you give a discount for me too? Yes, 15% discount. Is this suitable for winter? Yes, very warm. Do you sell shoes? Yes, on the right side. What is the shoe size? It is size 40. Is it comfortable for walking? Yes, very comfortable. Is this leather? Yes, pure leather. Can I try the shoes? Yes, please sit here. Do you have sports shoes? Yes, many designs. How much are they? They are 2500 taka. Can you reduce the price a little? Okay, final price 2300 taka. Are these durable? Yes, very durable. Do you have a shopping bag? Yes, free shopping bag. Is this for boys or girls? It is unisex. Is it suitable for daily use? Yes, absolutely. Can I order more later? Yes, anytime. Is it handmade? Yes, it is. Do you sell accessories? Yes, near the counter. Are these earrings cheap? Yes, very cheap. Can I buy only one? Yes, no problem. What is the return policy? Return within 3 days. Is it fashionable? Yes, very trendy. Do you have student discounts? Yes, show your ID. Is this good for gifts? Yes, perfect for gifts. Can you gift wrap it? Yes, free gift wrapping. Is the price negotiable? Yes, a little. Is it available online? Yes, on our website. Do you deliver at home? Yes, we do. How long does delivery take? 2 days. Is delivery free? Free for orders above 2000 taka. Can I cancel my order? Yes, before delivery. Do you sell books? Yes, academic books. Is this book original? Yes, original copy. Do you have notebooks? Yes, many types. How much is this pen? It is 50 taka. Is this pen refillable? Yes, it is. Do you sell school uniforms? Yes, we do. Is this the correct size for class 8? Yes, it is. Can I change the size later? Yes, within 5 days. Is there a mirror here? Yes, near the wall. Do you sell winter clothes? Yes, in this section. Is this sweater woolen? Yes, pure wool. Is it itchy? No, very soft. Do you have matching items? Yes, matching scarf. Can I buy it later? Yes, we will keep it. Is this the latest design? Yes, new design. Do you have any cheap items? Yes, discount corner. Can I see the bill, please? Yes, here it is. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. The service is good. Thank you very much. I like this shop. We are glad to hear that. I will come again. You are always welcome. Can you recommend something? Yes, this one is popular. Is this item limited? Yes, few pieces left. Can I reserve it? Yes, for one day. Is this safe for children? Yes, completely safe. Can I take a phone? Yes, no problem. Do you open on Friday? Yes, from 10 a.m. What time do you close? At 9 p.m. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Do you need more? Please subscribe, share, comment and like. ফ্লুয়েন্সির জন্য একটি বাক্য 10 বার করে এভাবে বলতে পারেন একশ্বাসে। Can I take a photo? 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 Thanks for watching. Bye.